Oh, you are going to teach us one small game with your grandma. Okay, we're also ready to see the game, Joshini. For this game, we require 7 stones. So this is the first round, how it goes. So we want to drop all the stones and we want to pick up one by one like this. This is the first style. And next, second style. So you want to drop again and you want to take 2 from out of that. You want to pick up 2 stones. Yes, good catch. And third style. So in this third style, you want to pick up 3 at a time. Fourth style. So drop 6 stones down and you want to take 2 and 4 at a time. So pick up 4 and then pick up 2. Wow. Next, fifth style. So drop 6 stones again. So you need to pick up 1 stone and then you need to pick up 5 stones. Yes. So you need to pick up 5. Wow. 5 at a time. So sixth style. So now you need to pick up all 6 at a time in this. Yeah. Oh, it's only 1 stone is dropped. So she will try one more time. So she is trying to pick up 6 stones at a time. Yes, that's a catch. Now, seventh style. See, now we have 6 stones down. So, how we need to pick up means 1 stone first time and 2 stones next time and 3 stones last time. First stone and 2 stones and 3 stones. Wow. So from this style onwards, it will be very unique. I think most of us will be not knowing these tiles. This is very things like maybe like 70s people will be knowing this type of styles. So like please watch very carefully and it will be a very interesting game as well. Okay, let's start 8th style. So drop 6 stones. So here it goes. So pick up 1 stone. By holding that, you need to pick up 1 more stone and to drop it up. 1 more try. Yes. Yes. Yeah, she dropped. Yeah. Yeah. And you need to catch the stones in 2 hands at a time. So 2 hands at a time. This is 8th style. Then we will go for 9th style. So drop the stones. Now place the stone nearby. Yeah. So we need to keep our hands like umbrella on the stone. Yes. Yeah, in all 6 stones. And you need to take the stones and you need to catch it with the 2 hands. Yeah. So this is 9th style. Next we'll go for 10th style. So in this style we need to ask the opposite player in what style we need to catch the stones. Okay, please ask. Right. She asked Vattapadiya, Rettapadiya, and the opposite player told it's Vattapadiya. You will see how Vattapadiya want to be played. So drop. So she dropped 6 stones. Play. Vattapadiya. She dropped 6 stones and captured at a time 6 stones. That is called Vattapadiya. Now we will see how Rettapadiya needs to be played. Yes. In 2 hands you need to catch at a time. That's called Rettapadiya. So this is how 10th style. So 11th style. So we need to ask the opposite player like Kokka Chikka, and she told Kokka. We'll see how Kokka will play. So drop. Okay, they missed the shot. So again she will try one more time. So you need to take at a time. Kokka. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how you need to play Chikka. Okay. Let's start. Yeah. So we want to throw one stone up and we want to round our hands. Yes. Mommy, one more time. That's called Chikka. So nice. 12th style. So drop the 6 stones and we need to hold our hands like this, like hundi shape, like this, and we need to pick up the stones in this way. Yes, this is how we need to pick up the stones, and no stones should drop, and all the stones want to be in your hand only. Yes, so all the stones want to be in your hand only. So this is 11th, this is 12th style. Let's go for 13th style. For 13th style, so you need to put your legs in this style and place all the stones like this. Okay. Okay. All the 6 stones want to be placed like this. Very tough, but you need to play. So now all the stones are placed. Let's see how you want to play this. So all the stones you need to pull inside. So only one stone it went outside. So now you need to catch at a time all the 6 stones. So that's the last style of these 7 stones. So this is how we need to play these 7 stones. Hope everyone liked this. So like try to play in your home with your kids. To watch it will be so interesting, but while start playing, I tell you, you will be missing so many times. Okay?
Thank you very much, Amiya. Welcome.
And thank you very much, Mummy. Thank you for coming to our Joshini's channel and teaching us this awesome game, traditional game. So we also try in our homes. We will make it success of this game. Okay?
Subscribe. No more videos. Bye.
Okay. Bye, baby.